Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I have the July Ellish box to unbox and review in this video. As most of you know, it's an affordable beauty subscription box priced at Rs 399 with free shipping. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
So this is how the package has reached me, as always in a brown cardboard box, and this is the outer cover. And inside that we have the beautiful Ellish box in pink and blue combination with all this floral pattern. Looks very pretty and it is a sturdy box. I do like it from the first month itself. It's very girly and a very nice box. Once we open, we have some cards, the info cards, and here are all the products. So let's go through them one by one. There is some shock proofing as well. So let me start with the makeup product, which actually has a shade choice. This is from Gala of London and this is a long-lasting matte lipstick. Price is $350 and used before 4021. It's a 3.5 gram product. Ingredients are also mentioned here. And here are more details. The shade I chose is M02 Wedding Bells. They do have other shades as I'm showing on the screen right now. So this is how the packaging looks like, and this is a sealed pack, which I do appreciate. So that's how the packaging is. It looks pretty. And this is the shade M02. It's a beautiful pink shade. It actually has very good pigmentation, guys, and this pink is not too bright, but this is a hot pink too. So it's a really good balance of brightness and something that will not wash off darker skin tones. I really love the shade. It has a bit of purple undertone to it and it's a very dark pink as well. So this will definitely suit all skin tones. I really like the shade, and this has amazing color payoff. In just a single swipe, it's completely opaque. It is matte as well, so I really like this lipstick. As soon as I swiped it, I loved it. So definitely happy with this one. I did not expect this brand to be so good, but I'm actually liking a lot once I swatched it. Then moving to the skincare section, the star product in my opinion is this product from Golden Grape Skincare. So here we have a Kumkumadi Brightening Serum. This is a new brand in market, but I've used some of their products and they are good. So I'm definitely happy to receive this. Kumkumadi is a really good ingredient. Here are all the ingredients mentioned. It has rosehip oil, Kumkumadi tailam, saffron, sandalwood oil, turmeric oil, argan oil, tulsi oil, and red sandalwood. How to use is also mentioned, and manufactured in June 2018 very freshly and best before 1 year. MRP is 1699 rupees, guys. So it is a very expensive product with really good ingredients, and getting it in a subscription box so affordable is definitely a big thumbs up from me. And serums are usually expensive, so I'm quite happy to receive this. Then next we have a product from a well-known brand, Humblebee, and this is their Nourishing Hair Serum with tea tree oil. So this is going to be good for dandruff also. Exclusive for Ellish box. Okay, and here are the ingredients mentioned: aloe vera extract, vitamin E oil, coconut oil, tea tree oil, Acar Rosa and friendly fragrance. Application and price is mentioned as $5.99. Again, a expensive product since it's a 50 ml bottle. Manufactured in July 2018 and expires in 18 months. So this is a leave-on serum. This is something that you apply to damp hair and keep it just like that. But this is an organic one, so definitely it's better than the normal, leave-on and those kind of serums. So I'm happy to receive this. And the last skincare product in the box is by the brand Angam, and it is a chocolate almond face pack. You guys know I love face packs. I use them at least 2 to 3 times a week, so I'm definitely happy with this. This is quite affordably priced at $150 and expires in April 2018. Ingredients have chocolate, almond and pumpkin. Simple and amazing list. I love the products which have a simple ingredient list. That means it is a good product. Packaging also I like. It has a nice cute ribbon here. So this is how the product looks like. It is in a powder form, so you need to mix it with water or rose water or milk, something like that, and apply it. It has a very nice chocolatey kind of fragrance, which I definitely like. Along with milk, it will definitely be like a chocolate smoothie on your face. Definitely excited to try this out. A new brand and I like the ingredient list, so definitely I'm trying this out. So they also sent a card like this where it says Tum Khoobsurat Ho, and they have the steps to apply the pack and their contact details. Now after the makeup and the skincare products, we do have personal hygiene as well in this month. So here are some biodegradable panty liners from the brand Nilori. These packs have 2 liners each, so there are a total of 6 liners, which is quite good enough. I've already used these panty liners, they are good, and the fact that they are biodegradable definitely makes them worth buying. Getting them in subscription box is definitely a big thumbs up. Everybody needs these, so getting them in boxes is definitely great. They have also sent a card like this with more details about their product. And finally, this is the info card. Here it says Get Monsoon Ready, which is the theme this month. Let your skin enjoy the monsoon without worrying about any woes. The July Ellish box contents are mentioned here along with their pricing details. Golden Grape Skincare Kumkumadi Brightening Serum is exclusive product worth $16.99. Humblebee Hair Nourishing Serum is again an exclusive product worth $5.99. Gala of London is a long-lasting matte lipstick worth $3.50. Chocolate Almond Face Mask is $1.50, again an exclusive product. And free gift is panty liner from Nilori. So the total worth of the products is 2,800 plus, and the box, as you all know, is priced at $3.99 with free shipping. So total of $3.99. So I'm definitely very impressed. As written here, there are 3 exclusive products, and most of these products, apart from the lipstick and the panty liners, the free gift, they are new for me. So I'm definitely excited to try them out. The star product was the lipstick and this skin brightening serum. Both of them seem really amazing. But Humblebee is also a very well-known and good brand. I have loved their products before, so definitely looking forward to trying this one as well. Even the face pack looks so yummy, smells so great. So definitely happy with all the products actually this month. A big thumbs up from me for the July Ellish box. Definitely value for money. You get a lipstick in shade of your choice, and the lipstick quality is definitely great, I can tell you that. I don't know how long lasting it will be, but the finish, the color payoff is definitely great. And the skincare looks very promising, so I am very happy. If any of you guys are interested in getting this box, then all details are mentioned in the description box below. So make sure you check it out. You will also find the links to the giveaways running on my channel. If you haven't already, then please do check them out and participate. They have very simple rules and you can win some amazing gift hampers. So don't miss your chance. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.